What's good, Movement Gang? It's your boy Tyrell
Dana.
and today we're back with another reaction video. And today it's your Dwayne Carter, aka Lil Wayne, aka the GOAT, aka the best rapper alive, all that good stuff. And today he's gonna be he dropped a freestyle off of Black Youngster hip hopper beat. It's called Big Bad Wolf. And man, Wayne is here to scare off some of these rappers out here, though. Scare off you. You're not even a rapper. Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Yeah.
Oh God.
But yeah, today guys we're gonna be reacting to that. The original video will be down below in the description so you can check it out. Lil Wayne, Big Bad Wolf freestyle. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be all he's basically dropping like little tracks off of the D6 Reloaded. Basically Dedication 6 Part 2. And I'm definitely hyped to check it out, see what that man Wayne is talking about. I am a big Lil Wayne fan. Yeah, you gotta be a Lil Wayne fan. If you're not a Lil Wayne fan, you're losing, basically. But besides that, guys, let's get into the video. If you're new to the channel, I forgot about that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll definitely appreciate that. And let's get into it, man. Let's see what Wayne got, dog.
The original link will be down below.
I had said that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, so don't try to play me, though.
I didn't catch it.
I said that.
Oh, good job, Ty.
You like that beat?
Mm-hmm.
Keep that shit on Twitter. Y'all ain't lit, y'all litter. Keep that shit in your shitter. Eat that shit, don't spit up. Keep my bad bitch, keep my main bitch put up. Watching me do push-ups. She's playing with herself and I looked up. Damn, you thought I need to get her look up. You plotting on me, my foot up. You squat, that ain't sauce, that's pudding. Don't you call her
pudding. Not pudding, that pudding.
What does that mean?
That pudding?
Pudding?
Yeah, she's trying to say pudding, but he said pudding.
Okay.
That's that New Orleans talk, man. New Orleans.
Is it Cajun?
Hmm?
Is it supposed to be Cajun?
What, New Orleans?
No, like pudding.
What, pudding? I don't think that's Cajun. I just think that's how he said pudding.
Okay.
Damn, shooting up the jurors. Damn, don't name my pistol. I name the trigger. Benjamin Button, push him. Bam. Y'all just pussy. Get buried together and let them play footsie. Y'all just wussy. I got it to come take a look. See, better play hooky. I got some hookers hooking up with politicians and some athletes and some college niggas. And your misses on all kind of missions. I'm the sickest nigga skipping doctor visits, but my father's pissy smoking hockey stick and put a.
I'm the sickest nigga skipping doctor visits.
Don't be skipping your doctor's visits, Wayne. We don't need you to
Man
die.
said no matter how sick he is, he ain't going to no doctor, though. Man don't care about no doctor.
Well, Mr. Dwayne Carter, if you dropped dead, you just told us it was your fault.
I like how you just jinxed that man like that, though.
I'm just saying. I mean, these rappers are coming up dead from drinking lean.
That sucks, though. I don't want Wayne going on like that, though.
No.
But hey, you know what? I can't even think about it. I'm gonna start crying. I ain't gonna think about that.
On my face and hit a licking when the shit get ugly. I go pretty Ricky. I don't fuck with rats, night a mini Mickey. I don't fuck with cops. That's a Piggly Wiggly. Fuck my bitches friends and they friendly.
I don't fuck with cops.
It's a Piggly Wiggly.
Man. See, mess with these pigs around here, dog.
Piggly Wiggly.
Your bitch giving me her 2020 like she tired of Mickey D's. Went to Denny's like she tired of Macy's. JC Penney's. I got bitches getting tired of spin it. If we win it. I know dream chasers that ain't never dreamt it, so I rim it. And I work the lanes like Shaq and Penny. It's the blood gang, it's the money gang. Red rags, the riches need happy engines. Then it's back to business and we laugh at sentences. Hungry lawyers make us knock out witnesses.
Hungry lawyers make them slap the witnesses.
Wait, did he say slap or snack?
Slap.
I could have swore he said snack.
Rewind.
But let's rewind there. Let me see what it's like.
Blood gang, it's the money gang. Red rags, the riches need happy engines. Then it's back to business and we laugh at sentences. Hungry lawyers make us knock out witnesses. Hungry artists up.
Okay.
I know I heard snack.
That makes more sense.
He said that.
Hungry lawyers.
Yeah, hungry lawyers.
That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Restaurant and cafeterias don't make a difference. If you taste the difference, better pay the difference to the racketeers. Now your good luck looking like you cracking mirrors. Not an artificial, become sacrificial. That's a body count. Well, it's clitoris and fattest nipples. With an ass that jiggle, with a grab a tickle. When a throat deep enough to land a missile. If your nigga miss you when he
a throat deep to land a missile. You got a deep throat. That dude Wayne silly.
2 cents is only half a nickel. Now we at this villa, aiming at his pillows. Hair triggers, fingers finna act like bristles. In the catch a triple flip, kick jujitsu, throwing pool parties. She don't have a swimsuit, neither of her friends throughout they neighbors. Eyes bigger than the Simpsons, and I'm in the simple. So I had to pimp her, and she had potential, but he lacked credentials. So give me a sec, I go at your neck and see you back looking like the Dracula bitch you are. I'm going animalistic in Atlanta civilians. These niggas clones, copycats of chameleons. Once they dead and gone, no paraphernalia. When she left her thong, that's paraphernalia. Sound familiar? My plug's Sicilian. He the one who told me a lot familiar. Behind the millions, rhyme a reason. I'm the reason that they eyes wide but too blind to see it. With friends like those, it made me text all my enemies and tell them I don't need them. Holla, bitch walking around my house like Hooters. Power user. Molly mixed with white girl, Molly Susan. Niggas talking out their bowel movers. Turn their homies into flower choosers. Turn your kids, your bitch a widow, and your mama cougar. I'm a silent shooter with a silent shooter. Clap at you if you don't die, boo you. Tell a doctor's trying to save your life and running wires through you. He could die next to you. I'ma make the nerd partner shooter. We put out the movie Win Awards. She got a Golden Globe head and an Oscar booty. Niggas prostituting. These rappers they ain't talking about shit. Not even about pollution. They got a house to live in. They got a pool to swim. And Ross to Houston with the contribution for the monster juices. Monster too slow. Macho Cujo. Macho Mucho. Big bad wolf. Watch the moon glow. I got a Greek freak, she coming.
He's getting tired. He ain't even breathing.
He low-key not. Like he's really just going in though. Like he's just flowing really.
The Kumpo, just follow the Kumpo, and I know that you know I'm hotter.
Wait, hold on, I gotta go back to that part.
Macho Cujo, Macho Mucho, big bad wolf, watch the moon glow. I got a Greek freak, she coming out to the Kumpo.
You're not gonna understand this one, so I'm gonna teach you on it. He said I got a Greek freak. Call it Antetokounmpo. Antetokounmpo is a basketball player. His name is the Greek freak, cause he's really nice. He's like really nice, and he said that he got a Greek freak. Call it Antetokounmpo. He basically saying that. You know, that's the metaphor to the Greek freak, Antetokounmpo, the basketball player.
Okay.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You low-key don't, but I'm just let you slide though. You understand if you knew who he was.
Just follow the Kumpo, and I know that you know I'm hotter than soup. She still swallow my soup bowl. I'm out of my loophole. You out of the loop though. Got all these niggas on silent and mute mode. The power to do so. My pockets is sumo. Getting the moolah, out of a new name, the Uno. Real boss nigga, Shimada Bihuko. Fuck with me, I go like.
My son really teaching a Spanish class right now.
That's me, because I don't know what he said.
Okay, alright, Wayne. The man say he got his English and his Spanish. That's Spanish, right? That was Spanish, right?
I don't know. I don't know Spanish.
I don't know Spanish either. You didn't take Spanish in high school? Oh, okay.
Really?
Pull up, trigger finger, hollering pulo.
Learn something every day.
Sound like a symphony of opera tudo. Hitting some new notes, and I am the maestro, and you just a typo. Private flight though, flying too low. I got me a new hoe when I was a duo. One went to college and one went to JUCO. I had to ask him what's 4 plus 2 though.
Sick.
I had to ask him D6. Alright guys, that was the end of
Oh, don't start.
That dude Wayne got me sneezing over there, dog. A little hot in your room, dog. Can you turn the fan on or something?
Yo, eyes though.
But yeah, anyway guys, that was Lil Wayne Big Bad Wolf reaction off the D6 Reloaded. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a like. We would definitely appreciate that. The original video will be down below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Once again, follow us on our Twitter and Instagram. It's going to be up here somewhere, and it's going to be down below in the description. So make sure you go follow us on our social medias. Tweet us at Twitter to let us know what y'all wanted to react to. Like, give us some reaction requests, guys. And from 1 through 10, I'll give it was a 10. It was, you know, I liked it. It was something like. You liked it? Yeah, Wayne said some, to be honest, dude, I feel like Wayne could have went even harder. I feel like Wayne holding back low-key, though. I feel that Wayne's holding back.
But why?
That's the
Maybe
question.
he has more.
That's the question. I feel like Wayne could be like really killing these beats though. But I feel like he's on bank. But hey, who knows? Let us know in the comment section what y'all think of the song, man. Y'all think it's trash? I think that man went hard. Let us know if we might miss some of his metaphors in the song. Let us know, guys. So, we might not have caught it. But anyway, guys, TND Movement, we out.
No, I walk with the racks on me. Bad bitch want back, and you know she stole that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me. Dreadlock that cap on me. Back then